Hello, hello. How is YouTube today? It's been a while since I've done a BathBodyWorks unboxing, and they just had a sale where they had marked down quite a few items. There were like scents that they had that they hadn't brought back in a while, and as well as some of their summer things that were marked down. So yeah, it's not the biggest unboxing, and I did open the box. I did take a little peek in just to see, to make sure that, they had, everything that I ordered they had in stock, they had in the box. But I'm just going to talk a little bit about, why I still am using it, because I have certain scents that I just really like and enjoy, and I alternate with my Avon products. So I kind of take turns. So anyway, don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, or just people who like beauty and style, or maybe somebody who just might need a smile. Okay, alrighty, so let's get started here. One of the things I ordered is, oh wow, I forgot about this, whipped coconut milkshake. Okay, this is one of the summer scents of the BathBodyWorks, aloe and vitamin E. This is the shower gel. It's mainly all shower gels, except for, oh no, I got the matching. I did get the matching lotion. I gotta get it out. Okay, whipped coconut milkshake. Okay, so let's see what this smells like. Very rich. Very, very rich. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love their body cream. Look at how thick this is. Okay, so thick, so rich. One thing that it's very easy to neglect your neck, but I'm just going to put it, put it on certain spots. You put things, I put lotion everywhere. It's just the scent. Oh wow, it really smells like whipped cream, coconut, desserts, coconut cream pie. It smells like, it really takes you back. It takes you back to those coconut cakes your grandmother made. Just phenomenal. Just phenomenal. And this is called the whipped coconut milkshake. Okay, these were really marked down. I was shocked. It wasn't the buy 3 get 3 free. Okay, somehow I missed that this time. But these were ones that just for whatever reason, I guess they were doing like a 75% off sale or something. Okay, so here is, oh, what's this? Okay, oh, I got one of their lip glosses, and this is shade boldly pink. Okay, and this was marked down too. It's a really pretty color, kind of a mauvey. Okay, put that up there. Okay, and then the other one, Waikiki Beach Coconut. Fantastic. I can't wait to, a friend bought me this candle. Oh, it smells like Hawaii. It smells like what I imagine Hawaii would smell like. Just that Waikiki coconut. See, and this is different than the whipped coconut milkshake. The whipped coconut milkshake had that scent of baked dessert, and this smells more like pure, like suntan oil coconut. Okay, so then the last thing I got, like I said, I didn't get that many, but I wanted to try the Love, because they always do a Pride line for Bath and Body Works. Always does a Pride line, and I wanted to, and I know part of the money is contributed to Pride, and I wanted to smell that. So, oh, that's very fresh. That's very nice. It says, face. Oh, this is a 3-in-1 face and body wash. So I guess is that hair, face, and body wash? If it's 3-in-1. Oh, yes, 3-in-1 hair, face, body wash. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, so, and it just says, it doesn't really say anything. It just says, Love Always Wins is the name of the scent, but it's very, very fresh. I would call this almost like a unisex scent, and very light. very light, and it's probably, because it's Pride, to cover, cover a lot of bases in terms of gender, a gender neutral kind of a scent, and it definitely, gender neutral appeal. So it's a gender neutral type of scent, and I can tell, and I like it. Sometimes it's like nice to have a nice blend of something different to smell in the shower, or sometimes I also use these as, this is great. That's why I got the travel size, because in case I wasn't crazy about it, but you can also use this as a hand wash, and you can also, it's great great for travel, travel in general, or like, especially if you're traveling for the summer, if you're traveling to going to different Pride events, this is a great item. And that actually was it. It only was 5 products for this time. Now, I usually order so much, but like I said, I missed the buy 3, get 3 free. And what I do with that is I usually buy, 3 shower gels and 3 get the matching lotions, or 6 shower gels and then get like 6 lotions. So then you're only like, getting like 3 lotions and 3 body washes, and then the other, 3 of the other ones are all free, but 3 each, 3 body washes and 3 lotions are free. But because of the wonderful things, because I missed that sale, these were ones that were marked down. I guess they already had brought these out for the warmer weather, I guess, for the vacation, because the milkshake ones usually are like vacation, boardwalk, that kind of thing. The Waikiki coconut usually for summer, but for some reason they had marked down a lot of things. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to, make more different, variations, various different kinds of content on here, and share some, different things with you guys. The body video that I posted, that was actually 3 years old, but I had it at a private setting, okay? I went through here and I reset a lot of my videos, because at one point YouTube was telling us that that if the setting was said it was okay for kids, or set for kids, then it was promoted more, okay? But you couldn't have comments, okay? But then somehow it was showing me, somehow I got some sort of a notification saying that if I had it set, saying it's not for kids, if the subject matter is not for kids, okay, no, I'm not talking adult content here, and obviously you see what I'm doing here, but somehow it was saying it was not for, just like not for kids, then I could have comments, okay, but they also limit what kind of comments can be said. So they do keep a close eye on it. So anyway, I decided to go back and check, make sure, like somehow I had some things set to private and some things I had set to public, so not everybody was seeing everything. Sometimes you just click something and you think you're doing the right thing and you don't know. And it turned out I wasn't. So that one from the body positivity one, that's from 3 years ago. Of course, I'm in a totally different place right now. So, we go through phases, one day to the next. Sometimes we're feeling great one day, and the next day, you're just not feeling that good about your body. And other days you're just like grateful to have it, So, but I'm glad I put that out there. I hope this helps. I hope it helps someone. But yeah, so now I went back and I tried to go through all of them. I still think there's a gap somewhere in the middle, because I started at the very beginning and then I got tired. I went down, started from like the most recent ones, and then, to match up with the ones I did in the beginning. So, to make sure all the settings are right, but I still have to go through them all, and it's very time consuming to make sure all the settings are now to what YouTube is telling me is the correct thing to do now. So it's always something. It's always a challenge with social media. But I am on TikTok now. I am on, Instagram and other platforms. So check out all my info down below and follow me over there and some of those other places, or connect with me in those other places. I'd love to connect with you. And, now you can give me suggestions or what you'd like to see. And I am going to be doing some more hair videos with the mannequins and showing, different hairstyling too. So that'll be fun. So I'm looking forward to that. So looking forward to sharing all kinds of things with you guys. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and have a great evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye.